Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to remove background from logo in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image with Coffee Day logo, and drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can go to Layers and make sure that we select background layer, and then go to Window and Show Contextual Task Bar. And then we can find Remove Background button, click it, and wait a moment. So the color background is removed by the mask. Now, if you want to keep some area with color, for example, the center, we can select the mask and then go to press B to use brush tool and make sure that we choose white color. And I brush the center, and I make sure that the hardness is to 100%, and then I brush it. So we can keep the color by brushing white color in the mask. So this is how we can remove background from logo in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.